Here I have Motorola Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings, or you don't. So when you just tap on it once, here you can switch audio settings, and you can also show touches on the screen. So then you tap start, and after this countdown, recording is on. So now we're recording our screen. So when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar and tap stop here. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special movies album. So now we're recording. And from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, or just check its info. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.